All right. Hear me out. I know you're thinking, we do not need a new fidget toy on the market. Fidget toy market is just saturated. There's so many fidget toys out there. But what about a fidget that's existed for decades, 50 plus years? What about a fidget that existed and then ceased to exist and now is starting to kind of exist again? I'm talking about these 3D wire mandalas. These weren't fidgets to begin with. In fact, they started off as hair pieces to contain hair inside of a hair cage. I think as the years went on, these kind of gained popularity just because of how mesmerizing they are, how beautiful they are to look at, really fun to play with. It can just change its shape continuously, repetitively. I can spin it. I consider this the original fidget spinner. This is just something that is slowly coming back. I think a lot of people, will appreciate a fidget that is quiet, practically silent. You can transform its shape and not distract the person next to you, whether you're at school or at work. It's multifunctional, so you can use it as a fidget toy, you can wear it as a bracelet, you can use it as a hair accessory, you can use it as a desk toy, put it in your vehicle, kind of in the rearview mirror. It's very versatile. Last but not least, this is a remake, right? So I make these, but I make them with better beads, better wire, and they're designed to basically be fidgets. From long ago were made of really thin wire, tiny beads. They served only one purpose really, but these ones are multifunctional, multi-purpose. They're really great fidget toys. If you have any questions about these, let me know in the comments. If you have any ideas for what kind of colorways or what kind of beads you want me to use, let me know as well. I sell them on my Etsy shop. Check out the reviews, check out people's photo images of them wearing it, how they use it. You'll get a lot of really cool ideas that way. But yeah, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.